Hello, I'm Ashley from Through the Loop Yarn Craft, and today we are going to learn the extended single crochet stitch. I've had the photo tutorial of this stitch over on my blog for a while and thought it was time to add it to the new video tutorial section. Today I will be using worsted weight yarn as well as a 5.5mm crochet hook. With this stitch pattern, you can use any weight or hook you'd like, whatever you have handy. So let's get started on the extended single crochet stitch. So on this super easy variation of the normal single crochet stitch, you can use any amount of chains that you would like. Just be sure to add one more for that turn chain. So we will start with our slip knot. I will start with a chain of 16 and then plus 1 for my turn chain. There's my 16 and 1 for the turn chain. So to begin, we will start in the second chain from the hook, and we will insert like we would any other single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we have our 2 loops on our hook, and we will yarn over. And for the regular single crochet, right here we would pull through both loops. For the extended single crochet, we're just going to pull through one, yarn over, and now pull through both. So it's just giving it that little bit extra added height. So insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through both. And then we will just continue that across our chain. And one more into that last chain. Perfect. So there's our first row of the extended single crochet. So to start in the next row, we just chain 1 and turn, and we will just repeat those same steps. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, repeating that all the way across. Insert, pull through the first, and pull through both. Thank you so much for joining me and learning how to do the extended single crochet. It's such a nice and easy variation on changing up the regular single crochet once in a while. I do have a pattern that uses the extended single crochet, the Everlasting Infinity Scarf. I will link to that below, and you can find the pre-written pattern over on my blog. If you like this video, please give me a subscribe and hit that like button to let me know, and hop on over and take a look at the other stitch tutorials and pattern tutorials I have on YouTube and over on my blog. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!